today I decided to make honey, lemon, butter, garlic, salmon. Not necessarily in that order, okay? And it's super easy to make and super delicious as well. So I'm going to start by making slits on here, which I already have. And then what we're going to do next is put some salt on it, sprinkle some salt on it, especially in between here. Just on the skin part. And I've already done it on these ones. I have about 1 kilogram of salmon right here, okay? So the other ingredients we have are green onions. They are chopped in a slant. And we have some lemon slices here. One for squeezing into the sauce right here. I got some butter, honey, some salt, some garlic, pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, some olive oil, and some soy sauce. This is the Green Mountain brand of soy sauce right here. Okay, so next we're going to do the sauce. Okay. Now that our pan is hot, I'm just going to add in the garlic. Oh, it smells so good. You want your heat to be set at lower than medium so that it doesn't burn too fast. And now that it's turning yellow, we want to put in the butter. It's like my favorite part. I just love seeing it melt in there. Turning the heat low. And then while it's melting, we're going to add in some pepper, as much as you like. Some paprika, cayenne pepper, soy sauce, and to add some sweetness, of course, the honey. Stir, stir, stir. It smells so good. Right now, we're going to add a little bit more of our soy sauce. Oh, we smell it so nice. There you go. There you have it, right there. That's our sauce right there. Easy peasy. So now I'm going to pour it into this bowl so that I can use this pan. Alright, now we are going to fry up our salmon. I'm going to add in some regular oil, canola oil. I'm going to turn up the heat to medium-high. Just put enough to fill up the whole pan. Okay, one thing I forgot to do was squeeze this lemon right here, this a quarter of a lemon, into the sauce as well, and then stir it. Okay, and I'm gonna put in the salmon that are about the same size in first, with the skin down. So these are the same thickness as each other, so we're gonna leave it for a good 2 to 3 minutes here. You can see that it's starting to cook in the bottom here. It's starting to look lighter in color. Okay, now that we see a lot of the color right here is starting to change to a more lighter shade right here, you know that it is good to go, good to flip. Look at that crispiness. Alright, it has been about 2 to 3 minutes and I have turned off the heat. I'm just going to take it off the heat now. Place it on my plate right here. Okay, and we're ready to eat. Okay, now that we have our salmon here and I plated it with rice and some lemons, I'm going to put in the sauce. As much as you like. Very sweet and delicious. Sprinkle some green onion. Okay, I'm about to go into this. Let's see here. I love the crispy looking parts of the skin. I'm gonna go into that first. So crunchy and very sweet and very flavorful. I need a few ingredients. Let's squeeze some more lemon in there. Ooh. And I bet you have most of the ingredients already at home. Just get some salmon, you're ready to go. I think that only took me 20 minutes to make. So crispy. I don't know if you can see it. So good. And I like to just, I love to eat the actual lemon itself. Like, I love the sourness. It balances off with the sweetness of the honey and butter and all that, or the richness of it. Delicious, you guys. You gotta try this. Again, once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.